I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Myli.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make cereal. I'm just joking. We're making slime. I have color mix slime. It's purple and pink. And it comes with magical liquid.
And I have the glitter slime kit, and it's blue. And it has the instructions and everything included. Okay, let's get started.
Dump it. I just... Okay, it comes with 2 magical glitters. I mean, not glitters, liquids.
Comes it right too.
I have a pink slime, pink glue, and a purple glue.
I have a glittery red glue and a glittery blue glue and some magic liquid.
Okay, so first I'm going to make... Oh, wait, I actually needed that box. Hold on. Instructions on the back. I'm going to do purple first because it's my favorite color. First thing it says to do, dump in the glue.
How much?
All of it. Always wanted to do this. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Just don't want to waste anything.
Whoa.
Okay. And then it says, add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's magic liquid.
2 tablespoons. So we have a full tablespoon. So we have to put 4 since this is 1/2.
Do the math, guys. 1. That was
2,
2,
3,
4. Because I
4.
didn't count 3.
Okay.
Now it says mix until... Let's keep on mixing.
And the instructions say to add 2 more after you mix.
What is this?
See?
I don't really know if I should add it. But it says what it says.
1, 2.
1. Dos. Uno, dos, tres. Okay. It looks like it's forming. I don't know.
It's
Mix well.
forming.
And then it says, you will notice the mixture becoming harder to mix. And the slime begins to form. Take the slime out and begin kneading with both of your hands. Enjoy vibrant slime. I hope.
It's forming, but it's
Oh my
still
god,
sticky.
wait. I've never had a good success when I make slime. It feels so good. I
And
might.
I think I'm going to take it out and mix it with my hands now.
It's not that. Actually, I've never done this.
Oh my gosh.
I got a, what's it called? Add some of this juice.
It's
not sticky, that's good.
Yeah, it's not sticky.
No, it's not sticking on the table. That's good.
I'm just going to pour mine. Oh gosh.
Guys, this is coming out so good. Like, oh my gosh. This feels good.
It's
Oh,
like
look at that.
too sticky.
Yeah. I can't handle slime good. Look at that. I'm gonna make a big poo. Yeah.
It's like sticky.
It's like sticking to this one hand. Like,
It's like formed, but
I thought I
too
got it on my new
sticky.
shirt. About to say.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna add some more magic. Didn't need to do that.
Okay, this is not good.
Oh my god, it feels so good now. But
Heavy.
let me do that. slime. It's very pebbly, obviously. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, stretchy, perfect, non-failing slime.
ASMR. Oh.
I'm gonna stretch. Ready? Wait. Nothing else. Got a lot of tricks up my sleeve. Okay. Speaking of tricks, let's
finally
do the
got
other slime.
Finally got it. Not to stick to my hands, but there's a little aftermath. But look.
What's that?
You can see.
Okay, come on, Myli.
Okay, guys, we're making the second color of slime. I got red and she has pink. It's kind of the same, right? Look. Okay, so first we just
hair.
pour this in.
Okay.
It's kind of some blue still in there, actually. What happened to yours?
I don't know.
Pour some of this red in.
Okay, I'm just gonna, you know.
Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna save some of this glue, actually. There's a little bit left.
I don't know about her.
Okay, so mixing it up.
Can't open
Leftover activator in there.
it. This is the end.
And this is the final result of our slimes.
Pink
and
slime.
if you also want to make the same slime as us, these kits, we got them from Walmart. And also, all the ingredients for these, if you don't want to get the kit, all the ingredients for these can be at Michael's.
So, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, share this video for other people to see it, and comment down below what you want us to do next. Bye!